Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're like me and you're tired of always having chapped lips, well, it's time to try this lip treatment from Goldfaden. This is like lip therapy to solve all of your problems and restore your lips to looking great. Really dry, or if it's just cold in winter like it is where I'm at, you get tons of dry lips and they become uncomfortable, they hurt, but using this Goldfaden's treatment, it helps to boost and to hydrate and make your lips just feel super great. What's also really great about this lip treatment is the size of it. So sometimes you have nighttime sleeping masks or other lip treatments, they come in bigger containers, so I love that this one is super easy to travel with. But most of the time I throw it in any sort of bag that I have, so that way I can take it with me throughout the day. So it's not just an at-home product, you can carry it with you. It's also super easy to use. Has the really nice indent that fits right on your lip, and you don't even need a lot if you just put just a little, and then it goes right on. So having that indent of the lip right there, it makes it really easy to apply. So of course, like any lip balm or anything that you put on, it does leave a little bit of a shine, but that's nice. And to me, it tastes a little bit like fresh mint. So it even has that cooling feeling that just makes my lips feel super nice, especially when they're chapped. It just feels like a nice lip treatment. It's about time to have a lip treatment on the go. Never leave the house without this lip treatment from Goldfaden. Not only will it make your lips look great, it will also feel great too. And that's my point of view.